Most traders spend days or even weeks coding up ideas that almost always fail. So I was stuck in that loop until I found a way to speed up my entire process and finally see real results. So today I'm going to show you how I went from endless backtesting to building over 30 working strategies, making $12,920 in just a few months, all by working 10 times faster. To begin, let's say you want to get from this point over here to this point over here where you get to eat some delicious ice cream. It's really far to get to the ice cream, 100 miles to be exact. There are two ways to get there. You can walk, which would take you a very long time, or you can use the power of machines like a car. Walking is not only slower, but you're also relying on your own abilities. You might not have the right footwear. Some people might have a lot of experience walking. They've been walking for 20 years, so they walk faster than the average person. But if you're like me and you're not an athlete walker, then it might take you days and days to walk that 100 miles. The other option is to use a car, and using a car doesn't rely on our own walking abilities or how good of a walker we are, and it also gets you there much faster. That's exactly the same problems we have with strategy development. You can either think up strategies yourself using your own brain, and people with 20 years of experience trading manually will find this process much easier. They'll intuitively know which indicators and which strategies work on which timeframes. They would have an advantage over the average person like myself, who doesn't have 20 years of intuitive manual trading. So they might be faster than the average person, but the overall process is still slower and painful. Compare that to using software that will generate strategies for you. So I personally use Strategy Quant X, and with a click of a button, I can generate hundreds and hundreds of strategies within an hour. And there's no way I would be able to think up strategies that fast myself using my own brain. But just like in a car, where you can't just put your foot on the accelerator and expect the car to get you to the ice cream shop without crashing into a laptop or a tree or a house. The software also needs our guidance. It needs us to steer it in the right direction in order to create profitable strategies. And that's a mistake I've seen countless people make time and time again. They assume the car is going to magically take you to the ice cream shop without crashing into anything. But we need to know the directions to the ice cream shop, and we need to direct the car to drive on land, not in water, not through someone's laptop. So the same with software. We need to tell the software which currencies to pick, which timeframes to pick, which indicators to pick, and have a filtering process so only the best of the best strategies make it through. Let me show you exactly how I use the software to create hundreds and thousands of potential strategies for me. In Strategy Quant X, open up the builder and go down to build mode. You have two options, the genetic evolution and random generation. The random generation is exactly what you think it is. Let's select random, press save, and head over to building blocks. Here we can specify the indicators we want to use, the order types we want, the exit types, and go to data. You can specify the symbol, the time frame, and the period that you want to use. And then Strategy Quant goes and grabs those building blocks and tries to match them together to find a profitable trading strategy. The other option is to use the genetic builder. So click the build mode and then go to genetic evolution. With this option, Strategy Quant starts off with random generation, and if the first strategy is crap, it might make a small tweak to some of the settings to see if this tweak will improve the strategy, and it will try again in different variations of the same strategy to try to make it better. Out of the hundreds and thousands of strategies that the software creates for us, how do we know which ones are good and which ones are total crap? So I went and spent years researching, testing, spending hundreds and thousands of dollars on research to find the best way to do this. And the answer is surprisingly not that hard. There are 3 things you need to make sure you do in your process. First of all, the build. So when you are building your strategy, make sure you have a small amount of data. So let's say you have 10 years of data, you only use a small portion of it for the build process. Item number 2, out of sample testing. This is where you perform robustness testing, and there's 2 biggest robustness tests that you need. First of all, you need to have out of sample. So we've already used a small portion of data for the build process. Next, we need to take brand new data and retest our strategy on it to double check that this strategy is still profitable with brand new data. And this data needs to be big. We're not looking to use small amounts of data here. We want to use a lot of data. The third thing is testing the sensitivity of our settings. For example, if you're trading the RSI indicator, you find a setting of 6 that works really well. If you go and retest the exact same strategy on setting 5 and setting 7, they both should still be profitable. But if the strategy totally falls apart and loses money with a slight change in the setting, that means the strategy is no good and we throw it out. This is also called Monte Carlo Parameter Sensitivity Test. Strategy QuantX can do both these robustness tests and more completely automatically using a custom project. So let's quickly create a workflow right now to show you how you can achieve this in Strategy QuantX yourself. Once you've got the software open, on the left, select Custom Projects and create a new custom project. Step 1 would be the build process. So up the top, select Add New Task, and we're going to look for the Build Strategies step. And you can see it's added up in the top left-hand corner here. Let's go ahead and configure our build strategies. Select the task, go over to full settings. Let's keep it as genetic evolution for now. We're going to have a stop loss and a profit target. Head over to the data tab and let's go with Euro USD. 1 hour time frame. Let's reset the start date so we have all the data available to us. So this is the build step, and in the build step, we want to use only a small amount of data. We have 2 options here. We can set the start and end dates here, and then go ahead and create a brand new task to do the retest for us, or we can do all that in the one build step. At the bottom, under data range parts, select the first icon, and you can see it's added 2 little sections here. Let's take out in sample validation and just keep out of sample. So we want the black bit, which is the build, to be big and the out of sample to be large. So let's just drag it out. So yes, now we have large out of sample and a small build. Step 3 involves testing how sensitive our strategy is when you make small tweaks to it. And again, you have the option of creating a brand new task, or you can create it all within this same task. So if you wanted to do it all in this task, head over to Cross-Check Robustness tab, and at the bottom, select Monte Carlo Retest Methods. And here, you want to have just the randomized strategy parameters. In this one simple step, you've got build, you've got retest, you've got Monte Carlo sensitivity test, just in one simple, nice, neat little package. You can include more automations in this custom project, like saving the files to a folder. Once you've got everything configured, the next time you want to run the process, all you have to do is press start, and Strategy Quant will do all the build, retest, and Monte Carlo testing for you. I've been doing that for the past few months and making over $12,920 on this live account. Okay, so I know I said using a car is much faster, but let me tell you in on a little secret. I honestly do both. So I walk to the ice cream shop and I also use the car to drive to the ice cream shop. I get 2 ice creams. I try to think up strategies myself through researching and testing, and I also use Strategy Quant, the genetic builder. However, of the 76 strategies that I'm currently trading, only 2 I built manually using the old power of my brain. The other 74 strategies in my portfolio, they were created with Strategy Quant because it takes so unbelievably long for me to try to think up strategies, and most of the ideas I come up with fail. Whereas if I just use Strategy Quant to make up strategies for me, then all I have to do is go through my checklist, when I'm going through the test step to pick the best ones. So in reality, I do both. I build strategies manually and I let the software to create strategies for me. Strategies like this USD Japanese yen one that I sent to my students 4 months ago, which has been trading well on my live account, and this one which has also been trading well on another live account. Now that you know that you can speed up your build process by using genetic evolution, the next problem is, what is genetic evolution? And that's what I explain right here in this video.